papayag ka na ikasal si Kevin sa Stella na yon?
What do you expect me to do? Ikadena siya para hindi matuloy ang kasal.
Yeah, pero tita, I thought you were gonna threaten him na hindi mo siya papamanahan kapag ka ikinasal siya doon.
You think matatakot yun? Look, Kevin has businesses and they're doing real well. Tatawanan lang ako ng anak ko.
So, gano'n na lang yun?
Dina, a good businesswoman knows when to quit. Pag nalulugi na ang isang negosyo, tigilan na. Ayoko namang itakwil ako ng tuluyan ng anak ko.
Yeah, but me, I'm not gonna stop.
That's good. Kasi ako, I've done my part. Ikaw naman ang gumawa ng paraan para magkahiwalay sila.
Hi, hon.
Dina, ba't ka nandito? Paano ka nakapasok?
You gave me a key, remember?
Tayo noon. Break na tayo. So please give me back the key.
Kevin, don't you miss me? Hindi mo ba na-miss yung mga ginagawa natin dito noon? Hindi mo ba naaalala yung mga lambingan natin?
Naalala. Naalala ko nung nag-propose ako sa'yo and then you said no. Naalala ko nung marinig ko na inamin mo kay Lucci that you wanted to play around because you weren't sure of me.
So, gumaganti ka sa akin kaya papakasalan mo yung walang kwentang babaeng yun?
No. You're wrong because I love her. And that's what you can't understand in that thick skull of yours. Na isang tulad ko, pwede magkagusto sa isang tulad niya.
Yeah, but I love you, Kevin.
No, you don't. Nainsulto ka lang kasi pinagpalit kita sa isang babae. Mahira!
No, Kevin! I really do love you! Alam mo naman yun eh. Totoo yun. Narealize ko lang naman na mahal kita nung nawala ka eh. Diba ganun naman talaga? Kapag kadang wala ang isang bagay sa'yo, saka mo marirealize na importante pala yun.
Pagkakamali mo. Yan yung tingin mo sa akin, isang bagay. Isang gamit na pwedeng iwanan at balikan kung kailan mo gusto.
No. I was just metaphorically speaking. Stupid. I promise, I'll change. I'll do anything. I'll treat you better. I promise. I love you.
Listen, I'm sorry. It's too late. I'm so sorry. Let's just be friends. Okay? Leave the key on your way out.